To open your first brokerage account and learn where to start. If you are new to the stock market, watch this video from start to finish. In this video, I will guide you on your first investment. No amount is small, the key is to begin. Just get started and everything else will follow. Today we will discuss how to start investing with 5000 rupees. Hello friends, I am Wealthverse. Let's start the video. The stock market is accessible to everyone unlike property investment, which requires large sums of money. You can start with just 5000 rupees. To win any race, you must participate. Many people want to invest and make money but are scared to enter the stock market. You can choose to stay away out of fear or overcome it and start earning. If you are young and have little money, don't worry, starting with less is good because the stocks you pick initially might not be the best. You will learn over time, and it's better to make mistakes with smaller amounts. Everyone makes mistakes in the stock market, sometimes out of fear or excitement. I remember my first stock purchase 4 years ago. My heart was pounding. Fear of failure is natural, but you can't run if you are afraid to fall. Here is a step by step guide to start in the stock market. Open a Demat account and trading account. A Demat account holds your share, while a trading account at a broker is used to buy and sell shares. You can't buy shares directly as per regulations. Choose a broker. Banks like ICICI, Axis Bank, and HDFC Bank offer brokerage accounts, as do brokers like Motilal Oswal and Angel. These full-service brokers offer many features for experienced traders, but new investors need something simpler and cheaper. For new investors, discount brokers like Zerodha are ideal. You can open an account online for 300 rupees to 400 rupees. Zerodha doesn't charge a commission for buying shares and their app is user friendly also. You can find the account opening link in the description. Once your account is open and you make your first payment, if you profit, stay humble. Don't think you are stock market genius. Making consistent profit is not easy. If you lose money, don't get discouraged. Learn from your mistakes, find the reason behind them, and use that knowledge to improve. My journey 4 years ago, I took a big loss on my first investment. I felt guilty but realized I need to learn more. I studied successful investors like Warren Buffett and read many investing books. Finding new stocks. Read business magazines and blogs. Magazines like Forbes, Business, and Wealth Insight provide company reviews, business models, and industry insights. Become a smart investor, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell icon for exclusive videos on mutual funds, insurance, and the stock market. In this video, I'll guide you on the first investment. Thank you for your watching. I hope this video helps you. I'll keep bringing more videos like this. Like, share and subscribe and comment. This is Wealthworth signing off. Bye bye.